Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Kraken, a cryptocurrency exchange that has been around for a while and is one of the most popular options for traders. I'm going to be focusing on one specific aspect of Kraken, which is whether or not they provide a wallet. Before we get started, I want to say that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I recommend that you do your own research before making any decisions about investing in cryptocurrency. So, let's get started. What is Kraken? Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2011. It is one of the largest and most popular exchanges in the world, with over 6 million users. Kraken offers a wide variety of services, including trading, staking, and lending. Does Kraken provide a wallet? The answer to this question is yes and no. Kraken does not provide a traditional wallet in the sense that you can store your cryptocurrency on their platform. However, they do offer a number of services that allow you to store and manage your cryptocurrency. One of these services is called Kraken Custody. Kraken Custody is a secure storage solution for your cryptocurrency. When you use Kraken Custody, your cryptocurrency is stored in offline vaults that are protected by multiple layers of security. This makes it one of the most secure ways to store your cryptocurrency. Another service that Kraken offers is called Kraken Pro. Kraken Pro is a trading platform that allows you to trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. When you use Kraken Pro, you can store your cryptocurrency on the platform. However, it is important to note that Kraken Pro is not a wallet. It is a trading platform, and your cryptocurrency is not stored in the same way as it would be in a traditional wallet. So, to answer the question, does Kraken provide a wallet? The answer is yes and no. Kraken does not provide a traditional wallet in the sense that you can store your cryptocurrency on their platform. However, they do offer a number of services that allow you to store and manage your cryptocurrency. Which Kraken wallet is the best? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The best Kraken wallet for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a secure way to store your cryptocurrency, then Kraken Custody is a good option. If you are looking for a trading platform that allows you to store your cryptocurrency, then Kraken Pro is a good option. How to create a Kraken wallet? If you are interested in creating a Kraken wallet, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to create an account with Kraken. Once you have created an account, you can log in and click on the Wallets tab. From there, you can create a new wallet. How to use a Kraken wallet? Once you have created a Kraken wallet, you can use it to store and manage your cryptocurrency. You can also use it to trade cryptocurrency on the Kraken platform. Kraken Wallet Security. Kraken takes security very seriously. They use a number of security measures to protect your cryptocurrency, including two-factor authentication, cold storage, and encryption. Kraken Wallet Fees. There are no fees associated with using a Kraken wallet. However, there may be fees associated with depositing or withdrawing cryptocurrency from your wallet. Kraken Wallet Customer Support. Kraken has a team of customer support representatives who are available 24/7 to help you with any questions you may have. Kraken is a great option for people who are looking for a secure and reliable way to store and manage their cryptocurrency. They offer a variety of services, including Kraken Custody and Kraken Pro, which make it easy to use their platform. So, there you have it. That's everything you need to know about Kraken wallets. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.